Hello everyone, in this video we will transfer data from master sheet, it means the data sheet, to other sheet based on a condition. For example, these are the departments. We have different departments, the data related to different departments, and I would like to separate the data of every department to a separate sheets. So how to do it in MS Excel? Let's get started. So first of all, convert your data to the table. After converting it to the table, by pressing Ctrl T, it will be converted to the table. Come here to the data tab. After coming to the data tab, select from table/range. Select this option. After selecting this, it will open a new Excel page for you. Yeah, Power Query Editor. So after opening this, now how many departments we have, how many pages, sheets we want to create from that. Let's check it. Electronics, 1 sheet. Garments, 2nd. Furniture, 3. Yeah, we have these 3. So I would like to take 2 copy of this. Duplicate it. Right click, duplicate it. We have 3 tables right now. Now let's rename all these 3 tables. For example, the first one, I would like to rename it. I will name it electronics. Save it. Rename the second one, that is garments. Rename the third one, furniture. Now come here to the electronics. After coming to the electronics, come here to the department area. After coming to the department, see this icon on the right side, select that icon, and whenever you come here to the filter area, uncheck select all, just check electronics. We want to display just the electronics data in this page, in this sheet. Press OK. We have just the electronics data. Come here to the garments. Do the same. Select the icon, unchecked all, just select the garments. Press OK. Come here to the furniture. Do the same. Uncheck, just select furniture and press OK. So that is okay. We have done our task. Okay, now let's close it. So after closing, keep it. So it will create now other sheet for us automatically. Garments, electronics, and the furniture. We have these 3 sheets. Data in every sheet. Now, for example, you would like to update it. You want to add more records. Come here to the data tab, main sheet, and here we would like to add a new record. That is, for example, this is the ID, and let's name it Yusuf, and let's name it whatever is that, like table just, and that is electronic, and come here, for example, 5, price 999, and 224. That is okay. So after doing this task, come here to the data tab and refresh all, refresh it. So now let's move to the electronic page. The electronic, come here to the electronic, see new record has been added here. So that is how we can transfer data from master sheet to other sheets very easily and in a few steps. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.